If you're tired of the long and expensive process of building a traditional home, it might be time to consider a smarter option. That's where prefab homes come in. Not only are they cost-effective and energy efficient, but they also come in a variety of stylish and modern designs. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 10 best prefab homes you can actually buy on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a cozy, tiny home or a spacious, modern retreat, I'll help you find the perfect prefab home for your needs. Number 10 is the LC Lenercom Mobile Modular House. Inside, you'll find a cozy living area, a compact kitchen, a neat bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping nook. Even though it's only 20 feet, every inch is smartly designed to make your life easy and fun. Since it's built off-site and comes pre-assembled, you don't have to worry about complicated installations. Just put it on a trailer or a foundation and you're good to go. The materials used are strong and built to last, so you can count on quality without breaking the bank. Plus, the tiny house is eco-friendly and helps you save on energy and space, making it a great choice for both your wallet and the planet. Number 9 is the Quick, Simple, Easy SEQ Container House. This 40-foot expandable home offers a spacious, hassle-free living solution with 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, a fully equipped kitchen, and a separate wet and dry bathroom. Large windows bring in natural light, and all doors come with locks for security. The bathroom includes a toilet, sink, mirror, water heater, and private shower area, while the kitchen features cabinets, a sink, and hot and cold water pipelines. Built with a sturdy steel frame and insulated walls, it stays warm in winter and cool in summer. Double-glazed windows and security doors add durability, and flame-retardant foam panels provide insulation and soundproofing. This home is level 11 wind-resistant, level 9 earthquake-resistant, waterproof, and fire-rated Class A. Kayla sums it up. It's the ideal blend of modern design, convenience, and affordability. Whether you're looking for a primary home, guest house, or even an investment property like a rental, this container home offers everything you need with minimal effort. Number 8 is the Cock-a-Hoop Foldable Tiny Home. This 20-foot tiny home is perfect if you want a cozy living space that's easy to set up. It's designed to be foldable and movable, making it great for different uses like living, vacation, or even as an office. Inside, you'll find up to 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a kitchen. The living room is a comfy spot for relaxing or hanging out with family and friends. The L-shaped kitchen comes with cabinets, giving you plenty of storage for your cooking needs. The bathroom is designed smartly, separating the wet and dry areas for convenience. The house is built strong with a sturdy steel frame that keeps it stable and safe. The walls and roof have special panels that help keep the temperature just right inside, no matter the weather outside. Number 7 is the Fekerson Tiny House. This 40-foot foldable prefab house offers an impressive 800 square feet of space, complete with 3 bedrooms, a cozy living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a well-designed bathroom with separate wet and dry areas. There's plenty of room for the whole family. The strong steel frame ensures stability, while the fire-rated Class A structure is wind-resistant up to level 11 and seismic-proof up to level 9. Just keep in mind that if there's heavy snowfall, it's best to clear the roof before it accumulates too much. Living here feels just right. The 10 large windows, a smaller shower room window, and a glass entry door let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel bright and open. Plus, the flame-retardant foam panel insulation provides excellent thermal protection and soundproofing, so you stay comfortable all year round. The black steel frame, dark wood-grained exterior, and light wood-grained PVC flooring give this home a sleek, modern feel like a tiny countryside villa designed for peaceful, high-quality living. No need for complicated installations. The U.S. standard electrical and plumbing systems are already built in, and the house expands effortlessly. As DJ Mizo puts it, awesome house for the price. You just need to find a good space of land, and you're all set. Just plan it out and make sure you're good to go. Number 6 is the Ammonia Foldable Container House. It's a modular, foldable container home that's easy to set up and ready to use in no time. Made with a strong metal frame, this home is built to last, offering sun protection, rain resistance, and moisture control, so you're covered in all weather conditions. It's also customizable. Whether you need a different size, a villa-style upgrade, or additional modifications, Ammonia offers multiple options to suit your needs. On top of all that, the brand has been in the prefab home business for 15 years, so you're getting proven quality and reliable customer service. If you're looking for a sturdy, easy-to-install, and space-saving home solution, this prefab tiny home is a fantastic choice. And if you want to know the latest prices of the prefab homes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 5 is the Modular Container House. This 40-foot or 20-foot customizable tiny home features a foldable, easy-to-assemble design, so you can quickly set it up anywhere. With customizable layouts, you can choose from 1, 2, or 3 rooms, making it adaptable for different needs. The large windows and open spaces create a bright, inviting atmosphere, giving it a sleek, contemporary look. The walls are made of fireproof and waterproof sandwich boards, ensuring durability and safety in various weather conditions. Plus, it comes in multiple colors, so you can match it to your style. Not only is it built to last, but it also comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime maintenance support. Number 4 is the Folding Prefab Tiny Home. This 20-foot tiny home is perfect if you want a portable, modern living space without the hassle of a complicated setup. It features a foldable, easy-to-assemble design, making it ideal for residential living, vacation homes, student housing, or even commercial spaces like offices, shops, and mobile clinics. The interior is top-notch, featuring high-quality finishes, smooth walls, durable flooring, and stylish fixtures that give it a modern, comfortable feel. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-term beauty and durability. And let's talk about natural light. The large window layout brings in plenty of sunlight, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere while cutting down on electricity use. More light, less energy, and a better living experience. Number 3 is the Ammonia Expandable Prefab Home. It's an expandable 40-foot prefab house that unfolds into a 3-bedroom, 1-living-room setup, complete with a kitchen, toilet, and bathroom. The frame is made of high-strength stainless steel with an imitation wood finish, ensuring durability and a modern look. It's wind-resistant level 8, fire-resistant level B, and earthquake-resistant level 8, so you're covered in almost any condition. Since it's a fully equipped prefab home, it already includes water pipes, electrical wiring, lights, faucets, and built-in spaces for everything you need. That means once it's installed, you can move in immediately. Plus, it's designed for long-term use, with a lifespan of up to 20 years and free maintenance for the first 6 months. Number 2 is the Quick Simple.Easy SEQ Prefab Luxury Home. This 20-foot modular home is fully air-conditioned and designed to be comfortable, durable, and customizable. It comes with 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, and 1 separate bathroom, giving you everything you need in a compact space. Unlike basic foldable homes, this prefab feels open and inviting. Large, double-glazed windows allow plenty of natural light to brighten the interior, while the fully equipped kitchen and bathroom make it a true home. The bathroom has a separate wet and dry area, plus a water heater, sink, toilet, and storage cabinets all set up and ready to go. Made with a sturdy steel frame and insulated flame-retardant panels, this home offers excellent thermal insulation and soundproofing. It's wind-resistant up to level 11, seismic-resistant up to level 9, and fire-rated Class A, so it's safe in extreme conditions. The prefabricated electrical and plumbing systems are designed to meet U.S. standards, meaning you don't have to worry about complicated wiring or extra work. You can choose your preferred color, making it a perfect fit for different locations, from urban settings to off-grid retreats. All in all, if you're looking for a smart, stylish, and practical home solution, this prefab house is definitely worth checking out. Number 1 is the Avalon Cabin Kit. Made from high-quality Nordic wood, these 5 to 40 square feet give you plenty of space to set up a cozy getaway, guest house, or even a standalone shop. With thick, durable wall planks, it's built to handle colder climates while keeping you comfortable year-round. The double glass windows and doors let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel open and inviting. And with a wind load capacity of up to 140 miles per hour and a snow load rating of up to 96 pounds per square foot, you can count on it to stand strong in tough weather conditions. No need for a full construction crew. Everything you need comes in the kit, and with 3 adults, you can have it up in about 3 weeks. The step-by-step instructions make it easy to follow, though a professional crew is recommended if you want to speed things up. And as one happy buyer Michael says, this helped change my life. And with only a few screws and steps, I was able to host more parties for my friends that don't really exist. Great buy, and there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect prefab home much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.